Trust isn't something you demand, it's something you earn. And when it comes to women, trust is the foundation of love, respect, and long-term attraction. Today, I'll reveal 4 powerful psychology hacks that make her feel safe enough to trust you with anything: her secrets, her emotions, even her heart. 1. Consistency is the currency of trust. Women notice patterns, not promises. If you say you'll call at 8 and you call at 8, that micro-consistency builds subconscious safety. One broken promise can destroy months of progress. Psychology hack: keep your word on small things first. Over time, she naturally trusts you with bigger things. 2. Listen like you're not waiting to reply. Most men hear women, but don't actually listen. True listening means pausing, reflecting her emotions, and validating without rushing to fix. Example: instead of saying you're overthinking, say, I can see why that stressed you out. Psychology hack: validation creates safety, gives safety, creates trust. 3. Respect her boundaries, don't push too fast. Women test men by setting boundaries. If you push too hard, she feels unsafe. If you respect her, paradoxically, she'll start giving you more yeses. Psychology hack: every time you respect her boundary, you silently prove you're trustworthy. 4. Show her you're trustworthy with yourself. If you lie to yourself, exaggerate, or hide your truth, she feels it. When a man is honest about his flaws without shame, he signals authenticity. Psychology hack: vulnerability is not weakness. It's the bridge that makes women feel safe enough to open up. Trust is earned, not demanded. Be consistent. Truly listen, respect her boundaries, and be honest with yourself. Do this, and she'll trust you with things she would never share with anyone else. Want more psychology hacks to win her heart? Hit subscribe, because this is just the beginning.